Okay, this diagram shows the path of the plane as shown in the video when it left LaGuardia Airport and when it hit the bird and then when it finally landed in the Hudson River. So what we're going to try to do is find some of these distances using trig. So we want to try to find these distances and then we're going to find the total distance traveled by that airplane. Okay, it says the plane left LaGuardia Airport at 3:25 p.m. and about 2 minutes later, it struck a flock of birds. So from here to here was 2 minutes. The plane was 4 miles from LaGuardia at that point. So 4 miles is the same as 21,120 feet here. So I already converted it to feet for you. So we want everything to be in feet. And it was ascending at an angle of 7.7 degrees. And we want to calculate the plane's height above the ground level at the time of the bird strike. So we're looking for the little letter A here. So we want to find this first. So this is the triangle that we're using, and we're going to use trig. So we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing. So here's my angle. This is my H. I'm going to get rid of this 4 miles here. And this is my opposite, and this is my A. So I have this number, and this is what we're trying to get to. So I'm going to use O and H. Remember, SOHCAHTOA. So I'm going to say sine of 7.7 degrees is O, which is the letter A, over the hypotenuse. And we're going to cross multiply. So I get 1A, or just A, equals 21,120 sine of 7.7 degrees. And just use your calculator, and everything on these slides, we're going to do 1 decimal. And if you punch that out, you should get 2829.98 feet. So that's this distance that we figured out right here. Then the next question says, the plane still climbed in altitude, so it's still going up after the bird strike, even though they lost their thruster on both engines for 19 more seconds. And it reaches a maximum height of 3060 feet. If the plane had a vertical height of 242 more feet at an angle of 2 degrees, how much further did the plane travel horizontally? So we're trying to find B now. So now look at the second triangle. So it gives us all this information, and now what we need to do is find this. So now you're going to finish the next 2 slides going from one triangle to the next to go ahead and find each of the pieces that I asked for.